15 powerful anti-aging fruits that can help aging skin. 1. Blueberries, rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals and help protect against sun damage. 2. Pomegranates, packed with vitamin C, which helps stimulate collagen production and keep skin firm. 3. Kiwi, high in vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that helps protect skin from oxidative stress and promotes elasticity. 4. Papaya, contains enzymes that help exfoliate dead skin cells and improve skin texture. 5. Oranges, a good source of vitamin C and bioflavonoids which help protect against sun damage and improve skin tone. 6. Strawberries, loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants that help promote collagen production and protect against damage from pollution and UV rays. 7. Grapefruit, rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that helps protect skin cells from sun damage and pollution. 8. Acai berries, packed with antioxidants that help protect against oxidative stress and inflammation. 9. Mangoes, contain vitamin C which helps stimulate collagen production and promote skin elasticity. 10. Apples, high in polyphenols which help fight free radicals and improve skin texture. 11. Cranberries, contain anthocyanins which help protect against UV damage and inflammation. 12. Blackberries, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that help protect against oxidative stress and promote collagen production. 13. Cherries, contain melatonin which helps improve sleep quality and promote cell repair. 14. Grapes, high in resveratrol, an antioxidant that helps protect against UV damage and inflammation. 15. Watermelon, contains vitamin C and lycopene, both of which can help protect against sun damage and promote healthy skin.